doing? Did you know I killed a drone today? I'm Matt. My wife Peggy and our son William. And this is the story of our family buying our first sailboat and learning how to sail. So follow along as we get to explore the beautiful waters of coastal British Columbia. For Mother's Day weekend, the weather looked amazing, so we wanted to try anchoring overnight. We headed south over to Tent Island.
It's the anchorage at Tent Island. Tent Island is one of the smaller, lesser-known Gulf islands. It's just to the south of Penalaket and Thetis Island, and we're just across from Chemainus on Vancouver Island. We're looking for a spot to anchor in there. Man, it's a gorgeous day here. Unusually warm for May. I think we're gonna hit the mid-20s, so a little busier than I kind of expected. Tent Island is owned by the Penalaket band, the First Nations. And that's Penalaket there. Will's passed out.
So here we are. We're anchored at beautiful Tent Island, just would be south of Penalaket Island. I'm not far from our marina. Much busier than we thought it was going to be. But we were able to find a little spot at the entrance to the harbor. Yeah, so...
as long as we don't crash into those rocks.
First mate Peg is concerned about the proximity of the shoreline there. It is pretty rocky. Yeah. What do you guys think?
Well, some other friendly boaters told us that we're good.
Is that when I almost dropped the outboard in the ocean? Don't drop the outboard in the ocean. Pro tip.
Forever free, you and me.
Okay, postpartum.
Postpartum?
Postmortem? Postpartum.
No one's
Well, I
having
guess-
a baby or had a baby.
Will had a baby, but that was something different in the washroom, but let's save that for another time.
Oh my god. He may or may not have clogged the toilet. We have to check on
Yeah,
that.
that's my new problem. All right, so let's take a tally for today. So our third, you just missed it. We probably should have filmed it. It was probably great for content, but we anchored initially when we first got into the little bay here. It was really busy, so we kind of out on the outskirts, and I didn't get the proper amount of scope that I wanted. We're probably only at 3 to 4 to 1 because of the depth. So I wanted to really have that 5 to 7 to 1, even though it's dead calm.
Yeah, we didn't go anywhere. We were here for hours
Yeah,
and hours.
yeah. Just trying to, follow what I've read and researched. So we came in a little bit shallower, and we weren't happy with that, and some bickering and stress, and it sucked. But after a third attempt, I think we're happy where we are now. We're only about 28 feet deep, and approaching high tide.
Do not like those rocks.
Yeah, we're a little bit close to this rocky point over here, but the anchor is bit, and the boat is swinging that way already, and we're still 120, 150 feet away. So I'm confident that's not going to be an issue.
The tide is high right now.
It's coming up still. Yeah, and by the time we're out of here in the morning, it's only going to come down a few feet, and then later on tomorrow afternoon, it's going to be down really, really low, but we'll be gone by then. And if I'm wrong, well, you can get to say I told you so here.
Right, but I don't want to wake up on those rocks.
No.
So.
Fair point.
I told you so is not really going to help if we're on the rocks, but
yeah.
Hopefully our marriage won't be on the rocks.
Yeah. Here's to hoping.
Let's have dinner.
Yes.
I'm hungry.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
From a distance, it looks like white sand almost.
Well, on the point there, it looked really white. I think it was the shell.
To see the truth
But it looked like white.
Yeah.
around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be.
Happy Mother's Day.
Cheers. Oh, good morning.
Bad morning.
Why is that, Will?
Because you dropped your phone in the water.
A little mishap with my phone yesterday. Went over to watch the sunset, which was beautiful, over around the point. And we were coming back,
It's in there.
and it slipped out of my hand. And I don't know, I should not have had it in my hands, but I did. Taking pictures of the beautiful sunset. And I lost my phone in the ocean. So it's been a bit of a downer. We had a lot of footage on there that we wanted to share with you. So we had a great day yesterday, though.
Yeah, we had the 2 killer whales that circled the boat for about half an hour. That was such nice footage.
Or was it that you almost dropped the motor in the ocean?
That was... There is no video evidence that happened, so it didn't happen.
Yeah, that happened. And I had some great footage of Will jumping off the boat into the water. And anyway, we had a really great day yesterday. And it's a beautiful morning here.
Mhm.
I love it here.
And our first anchor held. We didn't wake up to the sound of the keel or rudder bashing up against rocks or sand.
No, but I did hear some weird noises last night, and I was thinking, oh,
Yeah.
are we dragging? Or
Yeah,
what's
and
happening?
I think I determined that the dinghy rubbing up against the hull was a lot of it. And probably the anchor as well, just twisting in the bridle or whatever it is at the front there. Just with the boat moving around, just...
And then there was the guy on shore with the laugh. They were having fun.
Yeah.
Anyway, I love this time of day in the morning, and I'm not going to dwell on the phone. And I'm just going to enjoy this moment. Already saw a seal pop up out there.
Yeah, most of the big boats are pulling up anchor and heading out. And this turned out to be the second most expensive part of the weekend. All right, Captain Highliner, let's see what you got.
Nothing?
Just some seaweed.
And a bunch of fish.
A little bit more gas. A little bit more gas. So the islet itself was quite tiny. It only took me a couple minutes to walk across to the other side. So on Tent Island, just walking around checking out the trails and stuff like that. And you can see where there's a couple tent-only campsites on the island. I think there's 5 or 6. I've only found one so far. Totally grown over, but you have a picnic table, fire pit, even though you can't have fires as per the sign. But it'd be pretty nice waking up out of your tent. And you got the beach right there. There's a little trail that goes down, and then put you right on the beach into the bay. One breakfast sandwich ready when you guys are. You see Mom's phone? What? Did you see Mom's phone? Time for the workout.
I think you gotta put the motor down. Did I do that?
Yes. Yep. Press the down button on the control. Yeah.
Oh, okay, got it.
Down, Ska. There's another paddle behind the shifter. Push that down. Yes. That's the choke. Okay, now you can go into gear. High fives.
Woo.
And that concluded another great weekend of sailing. Total success.
I don't know about that. I did lose my phone.
Okay, well, happy Mother's Day to yourself.
Thank you.
This is from Will and I.
There's no wine in here.
I know.
That was last night.
That was last night. What do we have?
Every great mom says the F word. Perfect.
Very nice. Very fitting. All right, so we're going to try flashing up the drone after we took her for a swim. Or I took it for a swim. Or I took itself for a swim.
Something happening. And
It's supposed to start booting up. Maybe we just need a huge container with a lot of rice.
right.
Works for cell phones, right?
Okay.
I feel like that's like the Nintendo after your character dies. Dude.
Yeah, it does sound like that. Super Mario or something like that. All right. Well, we may have to come back to that. Or not.
Or not. Well, thanks for watching, everyone, and we'd love to see your comments, maybe any suggestions on a new drone. Cheers.
If you like this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you don't miss our next one.